Time to go through the looking glass and down the rabbit hole. Alice in Wonderland taking over. If you're looking for some things to do this weekend, just go to the JW Marriott Desert Ridge.
Yeah, check this out here. We want to show you, you're looking at a giant gingerbread display with Alice, the Queen, the Cheshire Cat. I didn't say it was cute. The White Rabbit, and even Tweedledee and Tweedledum. We're told it's almost all edible too.
Wow.
In fact, we caught up with the executive pastry chef.
It definitely was a labor of love, and then, trying to lift it was, you almost need to eat that much in gingerbread just to lift that much gingerbread.
So this was no easy task either. It is a lot of sugar, okay, 900 pounds in fact, and 2,000 pounds of powdered sugar as well, with 400 pounds of frosting and 1,000 pounds of chocolate.